Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the FRENCHYBRO Team TV and a quick update today with me, FRENCHYBRO and Sedos. Are you, mate?
I'm good, bro. How are you?
Good. So we made a video yesterday and we told you guys we were going to do an update if we find anything. And I think it's a good time to do a video because we've been waiting patiently, and we're going to show you why it's really important to wait for the setup to come to you. So yesterday we explained we got different area of interest, and we're just gonna do nothing until the price reach this area. Why? Is because you have no point to trade if the price doesn't come into your area of interest, because it's too risky, and we're waiting for confirmation. And this is what happened. So yesterday we say we were waiting for the price to come to either 21,500, which is one of our area of interest, or for the price to be lower, which was let me check, it was 2800. 2800, or if you break straight through, we will target lower, which was 19.5 per sure area. If you look at the chart,
it was lower, so 21 first, and after 19.5, which we were targeting this slide. That was the zone we wanted to.
Exactly.
As we are waiting.
Yeah, so exactly. So this is what we're going to show you exactly why we trigger that trade. Especially Sedos is going to show you. So as soon as this is how we trade. As soon as so we got alarm set. So we got no point of watching the chart all day like most of you do. And as soon as the price trigger our alarm, it is because it came to our area of interest. And what do we do then? So we just zoom in and check what the price action is doing. So let's do it. So explain. Let's say so we are like yesterday, and bim, we put an alarm at 21,500, and the price just trigger that alarm, and then we zoom in, and we're gonna explain our strategy. So come on, bro. Explain what we saw yesterday.
Alrighty, thank you. So that was pretty much. I'm just gonna do different time frame. Up to 2015. So as you can see, notice. So yeah, that was the previous DI to 25,880. Sorry, that was a previous daily candle high that we marked. We said either the price can break up, put it as support, and they will go target 20.8, or the lowest one, which was 2850. Come get the lows, come retest it, which is doing it now, and then you could trigger a short if this is back to support. But as always, so what happened yesterday? Why we did we trigger our short?
So first of all, why did we put So first of all,
I'm gonna go. Sorry, 6 hours. Yeah.
So first of all, explain why we put our alarm at the previous high as well. Just explain to the people.
No, so it's pretty much so that's that would be like a confirmation of continuation of the uptrend, because as you can see here, that's your last swing high this year. That's from November, and what you want is that high to be broken, retested, and that will give you a confirmation of continuation of the trend. So we see you always mark your daily high and daily lows, because that gives you a range of the price action. So we see that was yesterday, the day before that was there, and there, etc. But what was important, so as you can see happen, so we can count this as that's 3 from here. That's 1, 2, 3. That's called a swing failure pattern, because the last swing high is this again, as I said, and you can see the price came up. So right now, then that candles below exactly. So right now I'm on 6 hours, but you can look on the best is 4-hour time frame. So to get a good confirmation, you can see close below, swing failure pattern, can price back down to retest, close below again, swing failure pattern, and that was the trigger. Why? So when you move on the smaller time frame, I can even go like 10-15, or 10-15 to show you. So that was the first or second swing failure pattern, the 4 hours. So that was the first yesterday. Attention on it. So okay, no worries. So you can see the price ranging, but what it does, So create all this, that's liquidity. Okay, you can do your if you want to do it nice and clean. Use this here. So all the year you can see people placing all their shorting from there. For obviously trying to get that move. What you wanted to do, so you wait for the price to come up. It does come up. Okay, grab so retest the supply zone, grab the liquidity, and then that's obviously scalping trade. You might need a little bit of experience to do this or understand how liquidity works, because that's not gonna work all the time. Just because there's liquidity, the price is gonna go down if you get grabbed. So what you want to see, as it happened before, come grab the liquidity. Just right here, you got your market structure shifts. Come break the lows, so it means those lows are that last low is not protected. Price come back to the area, we test it, and we trigger loss here when it breaks the structure again. So we trigger, we were getting the area was like 25, 20, 26, and I think we entered around 24 or 2400 or just under by the time we put the trade out and everything. And as you can see, so come back, confirmation, and then you get the move. So you don't get the move previously, sorry. You don't get the move here. You don't get the move, you get fake out here. So you get a quick move here, fake out, because obviously the price is not ready, and you really want to wait for the price to show you confirmation before you enter. Obviously, you can get that trade, but then if we see a clear sign of bullish structure rebuilding on a small time frame, you just cut your risk out or take some profits. But so that's
so that was the move yesterday, and that's where we saw the break of structure. We send a call into our VIP group. I'm just going to show you quickly. So we saw the VIP is a break of structure just over here and up, just on a trade call on a Discord, and this is what happened here. We just post that trigger trade just over here, and just explain we're going to short here. Stop loss is just going to be at 21,692. Which we put on the chart to show you, and then all our targets. And this is what happened. So if you look at the chart right now, like Sedos is showing you, we pretty much got like a 3.4 risk to reward trade, which is really good, especially in this market structure.
Yeah, it's great. And then now we're just waiting for quick retest, and then still looking good. So still expecting. So that was our first like main target here. That was the trade we were looking at originally. And if you would have bounced here, I would have cut it. But then right now, so yeah, we got confirmation that pullback is in play so far, because it's quickly do this before the video ends. As you can see, so yeah, candle as we get this up, daily candle close just below, so outside of the range. That was your range here originally, or here, sorry, your range was
so
there.
The daily candle closed bearish
if you want.
As well.
Was bearish outside of the range. 4-hour candles close bearish today. So right now, what you want to look for is shorts, because session B is bearish. Daily candle bearish. 4-hour candle closed earlier this morning before the new session was bearish also. So you wait for the pullback, and normally you go for that. Or not even here. So right now it looks like we're having it's not confirmed yet, but getting rejecting that resistance. So daily resistance this here, confluence with your daily low, which right now previous daily low acting as a resistance as well. So that could be it, and that could be a good
another short entry to just add to the position, or to just give another shot to the group.
Fresh one. So yeah, ideally you want it to maybe come here and get rejected again, or somewhere here. Can come back here, you can retest this as well. So pretty much the same style of trade.
Yeah, and just to explain how we trade as well. So we never we try to keep a profit for ourselves. So what do is already at we hit, I think, we did quite a lot of TP. So we already locked 60% of the position on that trade, and so now we look to see if we can add back to the position, or maybe start a fresh trade. And if we get invalidated, all good. We already locked some profits, so it's already a free ride for us anyway.
That's it. Alrighty.
That's it.
That's it.
So you roll.
Okay.
Yep. Perfect. If you like the video, guys, and you want more video like that to explain how we trade and everything, just let us know. We might do some of them. It take a little bit of time, so when we got time and a good setup, we might do some more video like that to explain and for you to learn how we trigger all our trades, and like this everyone can improve. So make sure you like, you share, and you give us a comment. So
Thanks.
thanks,
All right.
thanks, Edos. See you guys. See you next time.
Thank you, mates. Catch you later.